Have a presentation stored in Google Slides? Instead of reviewing every slide manually, you can import the presentation into NotebookLM and use AI to help you understand the content faster. To get started, create a new notebook in NotebookLM. When the source options appear, click Drive. This allows you to access files stored in your Google Drive, including Google Slides presentations. Browse your files and select the presentation you'd like to use. Once selected, click Insert. NotebookLM will import the presentation and begin processing the content from your slides. After processing is complete, the presentation will appear as a source inside your notebook. From there, you can ask questions, generate summaries, identify key points, or create study materials based on the information in the slides. This can be especially useful when reviewing class presentations, training materials, project updates, or business reports. And that's how to link Google Slides to NotebookLM. By importing presentations directly from Google Drive, you can quickly turn slide content into an interactive learning and research resource.